introduce myself. My name is Nika Rahmika Sari, but you can call me Rahmika or Mika. And I'm from Class B, Tourism Business Management, State Polytechnic of Bali. So in this video, I will explain about food and beverage. And without any further ado, let's get started. First, I want to explain about definition of food and kinds of food. First is definition of food. Food is substance consisting essentials of protein, carbohydrate, fat, and other nutrients used in the body of an organism to sustain growth and vital processes and to furnish energy. The absorption and utilization of food by the body is fundamental to nutrients and is facilitated by digestion. And the second one is kinds of food. Kinds of food such as carbohydrate, proteins, vegetables, and fruit. First is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are found in a wide array of both healthy and unhealthy foods. Bread, beans, potatoes, cookies, corn, and cherry pie is the example of carbohydrate food. The most common and abundant forms are sugars, fibers, and starch. And the important part of a healthy diet because it provides the body with glucose. And the second one is protein. Protein is found throughout the body, such as in muscle, bone, skin, hair, and virtually every other parts of the tissues. It makes up the enzyme that power many chemical reactions and the hemoglobin that carries oxygen in our blood. And third one is vegetable. Vegetable is the broadest sense of any kinds of plant life and plant produce. The term vegetable usually refers to the fresh edible portion of certain herbaceous plants such as the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. And the last is fruit. Fruit is the sweet and fleshy edible part of a plant. Fruits are usually eaten raw, although some varieties can be cooked also. They come in a wide variety of colors, shape, and flavors. So that is the explanation about food. Now we jump to the beverage. I will explain about the definition of beverage and type of beverage. Beverage is a kind of drink and it sometimes you might offer a guest in house. It's also the favorite monikers of companies. Beverage is a liquid for human consumption and drinking usually exclude water. And now, it's about type of beverage. First is non-alcoholic beverage such as milk, soft drink, and juice. Milk is the liquid produced by the mammary glands of mammals, including humans. Dairy milk may be introduced at later age if tolerated well. Although dairy milk may come from any mammals like cows, goats, buffalo, and sheep are common produce. And second is soft drink. Soft drink is any kind of a class of non-alcoholic beverages, usually but not necessarily carbonate, normally contain a natural or artificial sweetening agent, edible acid, natural or artificial flavors. And the last is juice. Juice is the extracted from the fruit and the water content is reduced by evaporating of the water naturally present. And the next type is alcoholic beverage such as beer, cider, and wine. Beer is any fermented beverage made with cereal grains. Specifically, beer is made from these four primary ingredients. Grain is mostly malt, barley, but also other grains, and hops grown in many different varieties. Next is cider. At its most basic level, cider is an alcoholic beverage that is the result of the fermentation of apple juice, effectively following the same process as wine. However, apple juice typically contains far less natural sugar than wine. So the final alcohol by volume will be normally in 5% until 7.5%. And wine is the alcoholic beverages made with the fermented juice of grapes. These are also fruit wines or country wines that is made from fermented fruits. However, wine in the traditional sense is made from the wine grapes. Alright, and this is the end of this video, and I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.